Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. The best supplements for a healthier, happier you. Today we're diving into an essential topic that can significantly impact your overall health and well-being. The best supplements for a healthier, happier you. In our fast-paced lives, getting all the nutrients our bodies need from food alone can be challenging. That's where supplements come into play. They can bridge the gap by providing essential vitamins, minerals, and compounds supporting our health goals. One standout supplement we'll be discussing is glutathione. Often referred to as the body's master antioxidant, glutathione is crucial in detoxifying our cells, boosting our immune system, and reducing oxidative stress. Increasing glutathione levels can enhance your body's ability to fight inflammation linked to numerous chronic diseases. Imagine feeling more energized and resilient, all thanks to this powerful antioxidant. But that's not all. We'll also explore how optimizing your protein intake can lead to impressive muscle growth. Whether you're an athlete or just someone looking to tone up, understanding the right amount of protein and the best sources can make a difference. We'll share tips on incorporating high-quality protein supplements into your diet, ensuring you're fueling your body effectively for recovery and growth. So stick around if you're ready to unlock the secrets to a healthier, happier you. We promise to provide valuable insights that will enhance your understanding of supplements and empower you to make informed choices for your health journey. Let's get started on this exciting path to wellness together. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding glutathione, the key to optimal health. Glutathione is often hailed as the body's master antioxidant, and for good reason. This powerful tripeptide, composed of 3 amino acids, cysteine, glutamine, and glycine, is crucial in maintaining our health. Its significance lies in its ability to combat oxidative stress, which can lead to cellular damage and various chronic diseases. By neutralizing free radicals, glutathione helps protect our cells, tissues, and organs, making it an essential component of our overall well-being. One of the most remarkable benefits of increased glutathione levels is its ability to enhance immune function. A robust immune system is vital for warding off infections and diseases, and glutathione is pivotal in regulating immune responses. By boosting glutathione, you can help your body fight off pathogens more effectively and reduce inflammation, often at the root of many health issues. Additionally, glutathione is instrumental in detoxification processes, aiding the liver in eliminating harmful toxins and heavy metals from the body. This detoxifying action supports liver health and contributes to overall vitality. If you're looking to boost your glutathione levels, several supplements can help. One of the most popular is N-acetylcysteine, NAC, a precursor to glutathione that can effectively increase its production in the body. NAC is known for its ability to support respiratory health and enhance detoxification. Another powerful supplement is alpha-lipoic acid, which helps regenerate glutathione and has its own antioxidant properties. Together, these supplements can significantly elevate glutathione levels, promoting better health and resilience. Incorporating glutathione-boosting supplements into your routine can be a game changer for your health, helping you feel more energized and protected against the stresses of daily life. Preserving stem cells, the key to regeneration and longevity. Stem cells are often referred to as the body's building blocks, and for good reason. These remarkable cells can regenerate and repair tissues, playing a crucial role in maintaining our health as we age. They can differentiate into various cell types, which means they are essential for healing injuries, replacing damaged cells, and supporting overall bodily functions. As we grow older, the number and functionality of our stem cells can decline, making it vital to find ways to preserve their health and vitality. One effective way to support stem cell health is through specific supplements. 2 standout options are astaxanthin and resveratrol. Astaxanthin, a potent carotenoid in certain algae and seafood, is renowned for its powerful antioxidant properties. It helps protect stem cells from oxidative stress, which can damage cellular structures and impair their function. By reducing oxidative damage, astaxanthin supports the longevity and vitality of stem cells, promoting better regeneration and repair processes in the body. Resveratrol, a natural compound found in red wine, grapes, and berries, is another supplement that can benefit stem cell health. It has been shown to activate specific genes associated with longevity and cellular repair. Resveratrol also helps combat inflammation, crucial for maintaining a healthy environment for stem cells to thrive. By incorporating resveratrol into your routine, you can enhance your body's ability to preserve and utilize its stem cells effectively. Maintaining healthy stem cell levels is not just about immediate benefits, it's about long-term vitality. Healthy stem cells improve injury recovery and enhance immune function and longevity. By prioritizing stem cell health through targeted supplements like astaxanthin and resveratrol, you can support your body's natural regenerative processes and promote a more vibrant, active life as you age. Embrace the power of stem cells and unlock your potential for lasting health. Reducing inflammation, a pathway to better health. Inflammation is a natural response of the body's immune system to injury or infection. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can lead to a host of health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and even certain cancers. Chronic inflammation occurs when the body remains in a prolonged state of alert, causing damage to healthy tissues and organs over time. Understanding this connection is crucial, as managing inflammation can significantly improve overall health and well-being. One effective way to combat chronic inflammation is through anti-inflammatory supplements. Two of the most researched and beneficial supplements in this area are curcumin and omega-3 fatty acids. Curcumin, the active compound found in turmeric, is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. It works by inhibiting various inflammatory pathways in the body, helping to reduce pain and swelling associated with conditions like arthritis. Incorporating curcumin into your daily routine can be a game changer for those struggling with inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish oil and specific plant sources like flax seeds, are another powerful ally in the fight against inflammation. These essential fats help lower inflammatory markers and promote heart health. Studies have shown that omega-3 supplementation can reduce joint pain and stiffness in individuals with inflammatory conditions, making it a valuable addition to any health regimen. Reducing inflammation is not just about preventing disease, it's also about enhancing your quality of life. When inflammation is managed effectively, individuals often experience increased energy levels, improved mobility, and greater well-being. By prioritizing anti-inflammatory supplements like curcumin and omega-3 fatty acids, you can take proactive steps toward a healthier, more vibrant life. Embrace the power of these supplements and unlock the potential for lasting health and vitality. Optimizing protein intake, fueling muscle growth and recovery. Protein is often hailed as the cornerstone of muscle growth and recovery, and for good reason. After an intense workout, your muscles repair and rebuild, and protein plays a crucial role. Tiny tears occur in your muscle fibers when you exercise, especially during resistance training. Consuming adequate protein post-exercise helps to repair these tears, leading to muscle growth and increased strength over time. Your body may struggle to recover without sufficient protein, hindering your progress and performance. To support your muscle recovery and growth, incorporating protein supplements can be incredibly beneficial. Whey protein is one of the most popular options among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. It's a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair. Whey protein is quickly absorbed by the body, making it an ideal post-workout supplement to kickstart recovery. On the other hand, plant-based protein powders, such as peas, hemp, or brown rice protein, are excellent alternatives for those following a vegan or vegetarian diet. These options provide a rich protein source while offering additional nutrients and fiber. However, it's not just about the quantity of protein you consume. The timing and distribution throughout the day are equally important. Research suggests that spreading your protein intake across multiple meals can optimize muscle protein synthesis. Aim for a balanced protein intake at each meal, ideally including a source of protein every 3 to 4 hours. This approach supports muscle growth and helps maintain a steady supply of amino acids for recovery. Optimizing your protein intake is essential for muscle growth and recovery. By incorporating high-quality protein supplements like whey or plant-based powders and ensuring proper distribution throughout the day, you can maximize your results and enhance your overall fitness journey. Fuel your body right and watch your strength and performance soar. Unlocking your path to optimal health, we explored the incredible benefits of increasing glutathione levels. Glutathione plays a vital role in detoxification and immune function. By boosting this powerful antioxidant, you can protect your cells from oxidative stress and promote overall vitality. We also delved into preserving stem cells, the body's essential building blocks for regeneration and repair. Supplements like astaxanthin and resveratrol can support stem cell health, helping you maintain your body's natural ability to heal and recover as you age. Additionally, we discussed how reducing inflammation is crucial for preventing chronic diseases and improving your quality of life. Anti-inflammatory supplements such as curcumin and omega-3 fatty acids can be game changers in managing inflammation and enhancing your overall health. Furthermore, we highlighted the significance of optimizing protein intake for muscle growth and recovery. Whether you choose whey protein or plant-based protein powders, ensuring adequate protein throughout the day is essential for maximizing muscle repair and growth after exercise. Now that you have valuable insights into these powerful supplements and their benefits, we encourage you to take action. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more health-related content. Remember to like this video and share it with friends and family who might also benefit from these tips. Your engagement helps us create more informative content and build a community focused on health and wellness. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to your journey toward a healthier, happier you.